Hello everyone, I am Professor S.N. Mane, Assistant Professor KKWA College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology, Nashik. Today we will learn about different laws related to the radiation heat transfer. Radiation is nothing but a heat transfer from one body to the another body through electromagnetic waves, and these electromagnetic waves having different wavelength. Now, first law is that Stefan-Boltzmann law. This law is invented by Austrian scientist Joseph Stefan in 1879. But this law initially it has some lacuna. That's why another scientist has made modification in this law, whose name is Boltzmann, and which is also from Austrian scientist. So togetherly he had made one conclusion, that is related to its law, is the energy radiated from a body per unit time per unit area is directly proportional to the fourth power of its absolute temperature. Mathematically, this law it states that Q equals to epsilon sigma T raised to 4 into A, where small q is nothing but heat transfer per unit time, which is expressed in unit watt. 1 watt equals to 1 joule per second. Epsilon is the emissivity power. Sigma is the Stefan-Boltzmann constant, and its value is 5.6703 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square K raised to 4. T is the surface temperature in Kelvin, whereas capital A is the area of emitting body, which is expressed in meter square. Next law is Kirchhoff's law. Its statement is that total hemispherical emissivity of a surface at temperature T is equal to its total hemispherical absorptivity for radiation coming from a black body at the same temperature. Now, we will prove this law, that is how total hemispherical emissivity is equals to the absorptivity. See, here we have considered a small body of surface area A to the base S with emissivity as epsilon and absorptivity as alpha at the temperature T, which is contained in a large isothermal enclosure at the same temperature T. Now, radiation incident on any part of this small body surface is equal to the radiation emitted by a black body at temperature T. Now, its equation is capital G equals to EB into T at temperature T equals to sigma T raised to 4. Radiation absorbed by small body is equals to the G absorption equals to alpha G equals to alpha sigma T raised to 4, where alpha is the absorptivity of the body. Radiation emitted by a small body is given as e to the base emission equals to epsilon G equals to epsilon sigma T raised to 4. Now, from the conservation of energy for small body, it is given as G absorption equals to E emission. Its formula is given as alpha sigma T raised to 4 equal to epsilon sigma T raised to 4. Now, sigma get cancelled. Alpha equals to epsilon. It states that absorptivity of that body is equals to the emissivity of the body, but when its temperatures are similar. Now, next terms are the related to the radiation heat transfer, in which emissive power and emissivity. Emissive power is the total amount of thermal energy get emitted per unit area per unit time for all possible wavelengths. Its equation is as follows: capital E equals to Q upon product of A to the base T, where Q is the amount of radiant energy emitted, capital A is the surface area of the body, and small t is the time for which body radiates energy. Next, emissivity of a body, it is the ratio of emissive power of the body to the emissive power of the perfectly black body at the same temperature. Small e is equals to capital E divided by capital E to the base b. Suppose if we have to find out emissivity of any body, then we have to compare the emissive power of that body with the emissive power of the perfectly black body. Now we will see the concept of different bodies, in which black body is there, white body is there, gray bodies, and opaque bodies. Black bodies, it is a radial body or surface that completely absorbs all radiant energy falling upon it. White body, it is the body which reflects all the radiations get incident or falling upon it. It doesn't absorb or transmit the radiations, so it is called as a white body. So during winter season and summer season, we are preferring the black clothes and white clothes respectively. In the winter season we are preferring black clothes, and in white clothes are preferring in the summer season, so that we can reflect all the radiations get reflected from the body when it incidents upon it. Gray bodies, it is defined as the body whose absorptivity of a surface doesn't vary with the variation in temperature and variation in the wavelength of the incident radiations. Then opaque body, when no irradiation get transmitted to that body, is called as opaque body. It doesn't transmit the rays through that body or passes through the body. Only absorption and reflection will be takes place. So it is called as opaque body. So this is all about laws related to the radiation, that is Stephen's law, then Kirchhoff's law, and concept of bodies and the terms related to the radiations.